There's a first time for everything, and this is my first time riding a bike with booty in the front. Look at that, yeah.
Infinit Ryda.
So this is a 2023 Road King Special with the fat tire kit on it. Look at that, man. That's a 180 tire in the front. And you can't tell me it don't look mean. This bike belongs to Speedway Harley-Davidson, and this is one of their SHD customs. So real quick, what's on this bike? They threw on some bars. I'm not sure what size they are. I forgot to check. It was about to rain, so I just pulled out. And it has the native fat tire kit on it. That thing looks mean. Oh, forgot. You also got some Chrome Works exhaust to make this girl sound mean. Now, you know, you still got the 114 motor. They didn't do a whole lot to this bike. There's no custom paint. There's not a whole lot of add-ons. You got an exhaust, you got some bars, and you got a fat tire kit. But I feel like the fat tire kit is epic, and it looks really good on a Road King. Of course, they had to do the fender with the fat tire kit that wraps around, and I just rode this bike over here. We're keeping this video really short ride, because it may rain on me, but it rides better than your standard front tire, which kind of shocked me. People have been telling me it does, but I actually rode it and it really does. Let's get out here on the road so we can get back over here. Let's crank her up. That sounds good. That sounds real good. So what we're gonna do real quick is a couple maneuvers here in the parking lot, because I love the way this fat tire kit feels. You can go extremely slow and the bike feel really stable, and that's because it has that a lot more contact patch in the front. You got a fatter tire, so that means more rubbers touching the road, so it feels better when you lean. It feels better in every attribute, especially going forward, frontward, whatever you want to call it. So check this out. I'm going super slow. We're gonna just do a couple maneuvers. Doing a figure 8 here. Doo, doo, doo. All right, I think that was an 8. I don't know. I might have went past the grounds for an 8. Oh, it looks like it's about to storm or rain really soon. But the bike feels good in every single attribute. All right, let's head out of here. We'll go down a couple of back roads and then we'll take it back over there so I don't end up getting wet. I'm doing this for y'all. I'm risking my wet safety. Is that a thing? I'm risking the fact of myself getting wet to bring y'all this video. So that means give it a big old thumbs up. Another thing I need y'all to be doing, I don't care if you do a thumbs up emoji, something, comment on the videos. It helps the algorithm a whole lot, which helps me out in turn, which helps me bring y'all more videos because I get more encouraged. Just comment. I don't care what y'all type. I don't care what you put. I don't care if it's emojis, weird smiley faces. Just comment on the videos. Y'all hear them Chrome Works? Them jokers sound mean as hell. We got a car right there. Fat tire. Rolling over. Going straight. Woo! This baby got some Tokyo steel, even with that extra weight up front. That added weight makes it feel more stable though. It really does. So let's see how she feels down here, down this little back road. You got plenty of performance. It's extremely stable when you're going straight ahead and when you're leaning it over. It feels really good in the corner. It feels like you can go extremely fast around the corner and the bike just wants to stick to the road. It doesn't want to go anywhere. It wants to go wherever you lean or place it. Just riding this for the short period of time I've been riding, it makes me want something with a fat tire in the front on it, because it just feels good. It handles so tremendously well. Let's see how we can handle this corner right here. I don't like blind corners though, because people are stupid, but let's see what we got. All right, you're hitting it. Oh, get out of here, FedEx truck. Oh, get out of here, other car. Yeah, that fat tire kit is, I mean, that's a game changer. I feel like Harley-Davidson should bring a bike out with a fat tire kit on it. Just imagine that. Imagine they dropped something called the Road King Fat, or the Road King Special Fat Edition or something. I don't know. It ain't got to be the word fat. People get sensitive nowadays about that word, but it's a fat tire kit, and it feels really good in the curves, in a straight line, in any type of way you want to ride it. It enhances the performance. Look at that. See how we can take that corner? I know some of you are going to say that ain't no corner. Well, yeah, it's a corner. Any type of turn is a corner, and the bike handles it tremendously well. In any direction, you can lean it to the left, lean it to the right, and you solid, man. You're so solid. This is something more people should be doing on their motorcycles, especially those of you who do that performance riding on your baggers and on your touring bikes. This will seriously change the game for you. Or if you've been thinking about doing something like this, but you don't want to do the labor and do it yourself, this one I'm on right now is available at the time of filming this video. I mean, you go on Speedway Harley-Davidson's website, page, whatever, social media, hit them up, check this bike out. Don't matter if you're in the area or not. People from outside of the area bought bikes from there, and there are certain bikes that they see that they just want from that dealership versus trying to get it from anywhere else. Look at that. Bust that U-turn with effortlessly. Didn't even put a foot down, and now we're gonna rip it in the other direction. Woo! Oh yeah. I love the way this fat tire feels, man. It just feels so good. And for some reason, it makes the bike ride smoother. Probably because it's a bigger tire. So it's absorbing more, maybe, possibly. I'm thinking, I'm not sure. But the bike rides good. You stay there while you inching out, playboy. Alright, we're hitting it around this corner. Oh yeah. That is what's up right there. If y'all ain't rode a bike with a fat tire kit on it, y'all need to ride one of these, or you need to like get you one. Make this your everyday rider. I forgot to hit my blinker. There we go. We're hitting a little mini twisty road here. What do y'all think of the looks of this baby? Real quick before we get back up here, let me talk to y'all about the handlebars. I don't know exactly what height they are, but they're literally a perfect placement. I like my handlebars right around my shoulder height or a little bit lower, so they're near my heart. These handlebars are right in that placement. It's like right about where my shoulders are, so it feels comfortable, like I can ride this bike for extended periods of time. It feels extremely stable. The exhaust has that deep grunty sound without being overwhelmingly loud. Even though I like my bikes loud as hell, I like for that shit to be heard like streets miles way away. But this one does sound good, and it's shooting straight out the back. It's not like right here on the side of me, so it's not like overwhelming and drowning me out. But damn, it do sound good. We're gonna hit it right here. You get plenty of torque. Harleys are known for that low torque coming out of them. So you got plenty of torque out of this 114 Milwaukee 8. I mean, overall, I love what they did with this bike. The only thing I would probably do is, you know, based on the color, with it being the yellow color, I'd probably put some more black accents on it, maybe a racing stripe down the middle or something like that, just to make it pop a little bit more with the yellow and black concept, almost like Bumblebee. I feel like that'd be kind of sweet. But we're pulling back up to the dealership. I don't know how short this video is, but I had fun out here on it, and I did not get rained on, which was a huge plus. But comment down below, what do y'all think of this bike? Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you think it's epic. Let me know if you like the fat tire kit, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And I will check you out in that next one. Oh yeah, go follow Speedway Harley-Davidson's channel as well, and check out the video I just did over there too. Oh, gotta open this door. All right, love y'all. Deuces.